What's going on, guys? Here with another video covering my Robinhood portfolio. Wanted to go over some of the new stocks I actually bought into and some of the stocks I sold out of today. Today the market was doing better from yesterday. Tech stocks bouncing back along with some of my financial stocks I am into growing as well. So before I jump into too much detail, let's go ahead and see what new companies I did add. Tesla just recently bought into this company, bought one share yesterday, bought one share today. And as you can see, yesterday they kind of went on a decline and they're actually rebounding back today. So kind of been wanting to buy into this one. This company is pretty much the future of electronic vehicles. They're actually doing a lot of things within a company that people didn't think really were possible with EV cars and whatnot. They do have a cheaper model car for the average consumer coming out later this year and ramping up production of that vehicle in 2018. So this is kind of a growth buy. The company is not profitable right now, but if things continue to go well, we should start to see a lot of profitability, ramp up in revenue, and then profits should start coming to this company. If you look at their 5-year data, you can see that back in 2013, they were worth a mere $30 something. Now they're up to $300. A lot of their growth coming from towards the end of last year, towards the end of 2016. So I believe this company will continue to grow. I think they will be crossing the 400 mark shortly and on their way to Amazon, Google levels once their Model 3 is launched. I actually did manage to buy back into First Solar. Bought one stock for now. I have a limit buy order pending for the stock to take a downturn to $40. So can't wait to get back into this one. This stock is not pulling back as much as I thought. I thought by now we would see a pullback to at least $38. But during intraday trading, either yesterday or the day before, the stock actually hit $41. So I am excited to get back into this one. SunPower in the energy sector is another stock I bought one share to get back into. I will be buying into this stock once they hit $9. I believe I have a limit buy for $9.50 actually. This stock is doing very, very well. I actually bought into SunPower when they were $6.15 and sold them off at $9. Was also expecting a pullback on this stock, but it looks like they are continuing to grow, and I want to be a part of that growth. So these two stocks kind of go hand in hand with my energy sector. Planning to put about 20% of my funds here into the energy sector. So yeah, got some more money to spend in that area. Bought into General Electric today as well when they were around $27.17 or 18 cents. You see my average cost is $27.16. I bought 5 shares when they were at $27.19, then added 5 more when they can continue to drop. They are at a 52-week low. This is a company you would not be concerned about usually. They just had some rough news lately, but they do have a dividend, and I feel very comfortable letting my money rest with General Electric. Hoping they are making more of a push into the renewable energy sector, and we will see in the future. My purchases today were in the energy sector and in the Tesla and in the automotive sector. I did sell out of Ford here. They haven't been growing much lately. Might buy into them in late 2018, early 2019 when they start showing signs of moving more towards electronic vehicles and whatnot. They do have a full EV car coming out in 2020. Too far out for investors to be concerned with right now, but I really do hope things go well for Ford. I think Ford priced their cars pretty well for the average consumer, while Tesla tends to have higher priced vehicles. I sold some shares from Microsoft and Qualcomm at a loss. Wanted to lower my position in the technology sector because it was taking up roughly 30 to 40% of my portfolio. Other than that, the portfolio has been doing pretty well today. Actually grew by about 2%. Robinhood kind of factors in when you make a deposit for that day, so that 17% is a tad bit off. But other than that, guys, that is my current portfolio. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.